RealWear Collaborate makes it easier than ever to get connected using your Microsoft Teams licenses on RealWear devices, enabling simple sign-on for full features, as well as a dynamic Quick Connect code to get support fast. Share your Quick Connect code via email or text message to a supervisor or colleague from whom you need assistance. The user can input your code into the RealWear add-on for Microsoft Teams on desktop. This add-on is available in Microsoft AppSource. Once the code is entered, the headset will receive an incoming request to join the meeting without the need to sign in. This is great for getting quick help on a shared device. To log into Collaborate, say, Sign In. On a desktop or mobile device, go to microsoft.com/device-login. Enter your unique code and complete your corporate account sign-in, compliant with your single sign-on and two-factor authentication rules. Once confirmed, the device will be logged in. There are now many ways to get connected. First, by simply being logged in, you can answer any inbound calls just as you would on a mobile phone or computer. Except, Recents will show you your recent calls on this device. Recents. You can now place direct outbound calls with either the My Teams or Contacts options. Contacts. Search Contact. Kilo Echo November. Accept. Call 1. As always, you can join any of your 3 current or upcoming meetings in the Calendar menu. Calendar. Join Meeting 1. While connected on any call, users have several voice controls. Flashlight on. Zoom Level 3. Thermal on. If the FLIR thermal camera module is connected to your device, you can stream live thermal vision as well. For more on RealWear Collaborate, visit the RealWear Cloud Marketplace.